Hello everyone, welcome to our channel.
Welcome, welcome. We are happy you are here today.
I'm Jackson.
And I am Lena.
This channel helps you learn real English.
Easy English, daily English.
Today's topic is visiting a friend.
Yes, real English conversation. Easy practice.
This lesson is for beginners.
A1 to A2 level.
Relax, take your time.
You are doing great already.
Before we start, please like this video
Subscribe to the channel.
and share it with a friend.
Thank you so much.
Okay, let's start.
Imagine this situation.
You visit your friend's house.
You knock on the door.
What do you say?
Let's listen first.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Very good.
This is a basic greeting.
Let's repeat.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
I'm fine, thanks.
Good job.
You are improving already.
Now you come inside.
Your friend welcomes you.
Listen again. Come in.
Thank you. Simple and polite.
Let's repeat.
Come in.
Come in.
Thank you.
Thank you. Great job.
Polite English is very important.
Now you sit down.
Your friend wants to be kind.
Listen.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please. Good phrase.
Would you like?
Would you like some water?
Repeat with us.
Would you like some water?
Would you like some water?
Answer options.
Yes, please.
Or, no, thank you.
Let's repeat.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Excellent.
You sound very natural.
Now, let's talk about the visit.
Why are you here?
Listen first. Thanks for inviting me.
I'm happy you came. Nice and friendly.
Let's repeat.
Thanks for inviting me.
Thanks for inviting me.
I'm happy you came.
I'm happy you came. Good job.
Visiting friends is about being warm.
Now, small talk.
Very common in real life.
Listen.
What was your day?
It was good. Simple answer.
Let's practice more.
What was your day?
What was your day?
It was good.
It was good.
You can also say, it was busy.
It was okay.
Repeat after us.
It was busy.
It was busy.
It was okay.
It was okay. Very nice.
You're doing great.
Now, food talk.
This is very real.
Listen.
Did you eat?
Yes, I ate already. Repeat.
Did you eat?
Did you eat?
Yes, I ate already.
Yes, I ate already.
Another option.
Not yet. Repeat. Not yet.
Not yet.
Good job.
Let's add an example.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
Repeat slowly.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
My quick breakfast is a banana. Excellent.
That sounds very natural. Now, relax time.
You sit and talk.
Listen again. Let's sit and talk.
Sure.
Repeat. Let's sit and talk.
Let's sit and talk.
Sure.
Sure.
Very friendly English.
Short and easy.
Now, talking about the house.
Very common.
Listen. Your house is nice.
Thank you.
Repeat. Your house is nice.
Your house is nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can also say,
I like your house.
repeat.
I like your house.
I like your house. Great job.
Compliments are important.
Now, time check.
This is useful.
Listen.
What time is it?
It's 5 o'clock. Repeat.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It's 5 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock.
Very good.
You are learning real English. Now, getting ready to leave.
Listen carefully.
I should go now.
Okay, thanks for coming.
Repeat together. I should go now.
I should go now.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming.
Nice and polite ending.
One more phrase. Let's meet again.
Sure. Repeat.
Let's meet again.
Let's meet again.
Sure.
Sure. Excellent work.
You did amazing today.
Let's recap.
Key phrases today.
Hi, how are you?
Would you like some water?
Thanks for inviting me.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
I should go now.
These are real English phrases.
Use them in real life.
Now, a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments.
What's the first thing you do in the morning? Or what do you say when you visit a friend?
We love reading your answers.
Keep practicing.
You are getting better every day.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.